The X-Calibur is a dynamic anchor designed to dissipate the energy generated from a fall event into the surrounding substrate and arrest a fall. Capable of supporting a maximum arresting force of 1,800 pounds for one user, the X-Calibur is in full compliance with OSHA's Fall Protection Systems criteria and practices. Many industries protect their workers by using the X-Calibur. Roofing, general construction, electricians, plumbers, mechanical HVAC. A worker attaches to the X-Calibur using a body harness along with the self-retracting lifeline, rope grab, connector, and other necessary equipment. The force created by a fall pulls the engagement arm down, penetrating the substrate and creating a solid anchor, arresting the fall. The X-Calibur is approved for use on these common surfaces. Do not use on wet, slippery, or icy surfaces. Set up and use. Before each use, inspect the X-Calibur for any loose, bent, or damaged parts. Ensure the engagement arm locking mechanism is in the proper spring-loaded position using the viewing window. To hoist or lift the X-Calibur, use the hoisting guide rings or fork pockets. Hoist or lift per lifting and rigging industry safety standards. Position the X-Calibur 12 to 15 feet away, parallel to the leading edge, to create a work zone a maximum of 45 degrees from the center line of the attachment point and a maximum of 30 feet wide. To lock the X-Calibur in place, push down on the handle with one hand, using the other hand to pull out the locking pin, and raise the handle to an upright position. Pull the spring lock pins and turn a quarter turn to unlock and release the outriggers. Lower outriggers to the substrate and lock the spring lock pins back into place. Before moving the unit, lift and lock both the outriggers. Then, lower the handle to engage the locking pin. For fall arrest, connect to one-ring fall arrest attachment point by attaching self-retracting lifelines. Only use self-locking snap hooks and self-locking carabiners when connecting SRLs and lifelines to the X-Calibur. Ensure that all connections are fully closed, locked, and secure prior to use. In the event of a fall, call 911 and report the fall emergency immediately. Before attempting rescue, ensure the X-Calibur is stable with the claw engaged into the substrate and that both tires and outriggers are in contact with the working surface. Refer to the rescue manual for complete instructions. To disengage the claw from the substrate after a fall has occurred, unbolt and remove the engagement box assembly. Begin by removing the snap lock pins and the lifting point. Remove all weights. Next, remove the handle lock plate, bolts, and screws to slide out the engagement box. Install a new engagement box with the tie-off ring facing away from the rear tires. Replace the handle lock plate, bolts, and screws. Install the weights and lifting point, and fasten with the snap lock pins. The X-Calibur is now ready to return to service. The X-Calibur, part of Leading Edge Safety's mobile fall protection line, ensures penetration during a fall with its locking engagement arm. Leading Edge Safety. We take the first step, so you don't take your last.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at bigrocksupply.com for roofing and construction tools and equipment.